Why does your business exist, and what problem are you solving? Clarity here isn't optional, it's the foundation for everything, from your branding to how you attract your first customers. You don't need to max out your credit cards to start. Focus on building a minimum viable product, MVP, something basic that solves your customer's problem. Gather feedback, and improve as you grow. Success isn't just what you know, it's who you know. Attend events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to slide into DMs. Your network can be a game changer for finding partners, investors, and even your first customers. No matter how good your product is, if no one knows about it, it doesn't matter. Master basic digital marketing. Social media ads, SEO, and email campaigns can help you reach the right audience without breaking the bank. Here's the truth, you will fail at something, it's inevitable. But every failure is an opportunity to learn and improve.